My name is Megan, and I'm converting my SUV into a camper. I started the build while living in my studio apartment, but that's proving to be a bit challenging, so I'm actually going to move in with my boyfriend for a few weeks. He has a garage, and I'll finish the build there, but I figured I would use this as an opportunity to start minimizing my belongings now, because all of this is going to have to go somewhere when I move into the camper for the summer. There are now 2 days till I'm moving out of my apartment. Basically, the past few days I've just been visiting friends, packing and planning, and not only am I trying to pack up my life just to leave this apartment, but I'm also like considering every single thing that I should downsize and really thinking about what is going to come with me in this build. I've been trying to sell as much as I can before I bring things to donate them or give away them to friends. It's all very exciting, it's all very stressful, it's full of anticipation. I will give you a show of what we're looking at. Clearly this can't all come with me.
The raindrops are singing on a roof made of tin. Melodies in tune with the sound of the wind. No matter how long our song goes on, isn't it a wonder this little love came along?
So I actually used the foam from this like IKEA futon couch bed thing I've had since I moved here, but it's actually like really rickety and it's kind of falling apart in places, so I figured I may as well keep these slats here just to see if I can reuse the wood, maybe even reuse the slats like as my own slats. Ow. Good morning. It's my last day in my apartment. I have mostly kind of packed everything. Maybe, I don't know, I feel like I'm still surrounded by a lot of stuff. Just some small things left to put in a few boxes and then a massive cleaning list from my landlord. So I just have a couple things to take to the Reuse It Center, which is sort of like a recycle dump place. And once I throw that in the car and bring that there, I'm gonna start packing up my car with all of my stuff and then get to cleaning. This is all stuff that I'm expecting to either come with me or be used in the build. The mattress that's going to be going into the SUV. This all here is stuff that I'm giving to various friends and some sort of thrift items. This is my box of clothes, which I also have a duffel bag over there, but I feel pretty good about it. And then this is not too bad. Good morning. I basically just woke up. Today's moving day. I have, let me get my list. 10 or 15 items left on the list to do. I need to clean the freezer, the fridge, the top of the fridge. I need to just like mop the floor and do a vacuum. And then I also am responsible for the entranceway, which I'm not excited about because they have a dog upstairs. I need to finish cleaning the bathroom, so the bathroom sink, bathroom mirror, bathroom toilet, shower, and that's it. When that's done, I'll need to sweep and mop the outdoor kind of balcony area I have, as well as Windex all of the screen door. Hopefully I can get that all done as fast as possible. I've given myself about 3 hours. I also need to drop off some stuff to my friend before she works this morning. And I'll be doing all of that without my coffee maker. The past hour's been an absolute whirlwind, but we have coffee now. The car is an absolute disaster. Like, I don't even need these. Everything in the world is in here right now. So I said bye to quite a few friends here that have made my time here really awesome. So it was nice to get a few hugs before I headed out. And now I've been met with some snow and I'm gonna have a couple more views of the mountains before I leave.